There were multiple crashes on the day. Let's hope everyone's okay. You're gonna behave today. All right, Justin, let's go. Pump tires.
Last minute race prep, we're about to go to the line. Rob Martin's getting his tires pumped up. He's rearing to go. And this is gonna be interesting. We'll see what happens. All right, cancer be damned. All right, let's go.
Booper line's kind of long. They should have had probably like 6 porta potties and not 2.
Alright, don't suck.
Don't suck.
Okay,
Yeah, let's see what happens.
here we go. But I hold up and wait for you.
Okay, folks, this is it. We're ready to go. We're going to start it in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And they're off 2021. They're off for 30-ish miles to 50K. That's the first win.
The race rolled out at a good pace right from the start. However, it was tight through these roped off and cone sections. I felt like I was playing Donkey Kong here, trying to avoid the barrels. Just before we hit the gravel, we had an unfortunate accident. From what I can tell, the guy went into the back tire of the person in front of him, and as cyclists, we all know that's hard to not fall sometimes. We hope he's okay. Around this corner, the pace picked up, and I was definitely feeling my lack of warm-up as my phone took me to the wrong location and had me 25 minutes late. The first part of the course is littered with hills, in which we tried to overcome. Eventually, we were not able to hang on with the front group as a whole and had to make a game time decision that you will see shortly. The pace is blistering fast to try to keep up on fat bikes.
Movies registered in the series. I don't know. Rent? If so, I'll be wearing the changes. For them to beat that guy.
We're gonna go get him. Send Rob on.
See that wreck?
Yeah, it was right in front of me.
I rode over his rear wheel.
Oh, you did? Yes, we sent the other Rob, aka Pitbull, off the front to take first place points just in case that guy in front of us was in the series. We will get to how that turns out shortly. Crazy how fast Pitbull bridged that gap. With Rob gone, that left the 2 of us with Jason. We sure could have used one more person on this day. Oh well. The hills were tough and steep, some of them long. You could say we had our struggles. Despite the struggles, we still pressed on, determined not to give in. Two fat bikers catch up to us and help us out for a while, Rusty and Tom. We're happy to have the help. For the first third of the race, I stay mostly behind Jason and Brent stays in the front and pulls.
We're back, Brent.
This is a team effort, and the better we communicate, the more efficient we can work together as a team.
Do you need a pole, Brett? Sure.
Eventually, after we get through the hilly sections, Jason settles into the third position, and that allows him to draft better. We get into a rhythm of Brent and I taking pulls and keeping up the pace. For those who don't know, Jason is battling pancreatic cancer. We created a great team here. Team Cancer Be Damned. If you would like to help out and be a part of the team, I'll have a link in the description to the GoFundMe page that helps him and his family out with the burden of the non-stop medical expenses.
Good job!
We press on. Every now and then we pass someone and a group may catch us. Sometimes the group gets away, and sometimes we bring them back in and drop them off the back. As we near about 2/3 of the way into the race, my hip really starts bothering. I had a crash the week before that beat me up pretty good. My mind starts to think that this doesn't feel good and this is hurting a lot. Maybe you should tell Brent to pull Jason the rest of the way. I stop and I think about Jason and what he's going through. Thinking about the chemo treatments, the pain, the achiness that goes with all of that. I realize I better suck it up and press on, and that's exactly what I did. We reached the pavement. This means we're close to the finish. In the meantime, Pitbull had stopped just short of the finish line. He wanted to chat with his wife about how epically fast he is. Haha, just kidding. He stopped because the group that he was with dropped the guy that we wanted him to beat.
Thank you. Okay, you're good. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Let's go.
He stopped to see if we caught up with that guy, and if we did, we would let Jason get on the top of the podium again. Well, we didn't catch that guy, so Rob had to rocket across the finish line when he saw the other fat biker coming. We finished shortly after that, and we're still able to get Jason on the podium. Third step, baby. That is a successful day on bikes.
Get it, buddy. Get it, buddy. Into the wind. Get it. Get it, man. All the way through. Hold on.
And some fat bikers coming down the line with a couple more rolling through. Rob Martin, Twin Lake and Green Lake, all coming through.
Get him? Yeah. Rob got the other guy.
Oh, good.
That's work, Jake.
And we got another group of riders coming through.
Yeah, man.
I need more pickle juice or something. My legs just cramp up every time I stand up.
Oh, you're good. You did good.
Dirty 30, I could at least stand up at the end, but I can stand up. Just
We
get
had to
on.
send the pit bull off the front to save some points for you. So that would only put him 5 points ahead of you for this race.
Waterloo. Looks like Rob Richardson caught the first fat biker. And then the second fat biker came in. Looks like I was third fat biker.
Again, another epic day on bikes here, as you can see. Let me know in the comments below if you gravel race and what your favorite race is. Remember, you can join our team and support Jason at the GoFundMe link below. I'll have a link in the description to some cool bike books that I've read and to the GoPro I use. If you like bikes, help support the channel and grab some bike stickers. I put them on my vehicles. Also look in the description below for my $10 ebook, Getting Started in Mountain Biking, Your First 90 Days. It'll make your life easier, and it's free. Stay tuned for more epic bike content in the coming videos. Don't miss out by subscribing and clicking the bell so you get notified when they are released. Click on one of these videos to continue your bike journey.